What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing another iPhone video. It's been a while, but yeah. This isn't going to be a straight out video that's constant. It's going to be cut. I myself don't like that, but I'm going to do this so that the video stays under 10 minutes. Today I'm going to be doing the best Cydia apps, or just a list of Cydia apps. Here we go. First, Winterboard. Winterboard allows you to customize your whole iPhone with sounds, themes, and stuff like that. For example, themes. Go back to your main screen, and it will automatically change your theme. And as you can see, my theme's changed. Okay. The next one is more of a just kind of cool thing that I like to have instead of wearing a watch or something like that, or always clicking on the clock app. So I'm gonna try to show you guys this. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. See how the clock is actually the real time? If not, well, it's called LiveClock in Cydia. It allows you to see the real time on the icon. It's actually a moving clock. So that's pretty cool. Next one is SwirlyMMS. A lot of you guys might know this from my other video, my tutorial on how to install it and how to use it. It's pretty much an application that allows you to do multimedia messaging on the iPhone. Yeah, I'm not going to show you how to do it because I have a tutorial, but yeah, that's what it does. Next is Reminder. I like this app. This app pretty much shows you little icons on the top right of your screen, and it tells you if you have an email, a missed call, or whatever without having pop-ups and stuff, or say you forget that you had a text message. It will be right up here in the corner. I'm going to try to show you that. I don't know if you can see that little blue folder message thing, which means I have an email. I'll check that after. Okay. Next we have CyRecorder. I have another video on that, so I'm not going to go too detailed into that. CyRecorder pretty much allows your iPhone to record video. Yeah, I'm just going to say that. Next we have Poof. For Poof, let's say we don't want our calculator app. Okay, our calculator app is, where is our calculator app? Oh god, oh here it is, calculator. Okay, this is our calculator app. Say we don't want that on our screen. We go over to here, we go on Poof, let that load, and now you're going to go to your calculator right here, and you're just going to say off. And that's pretty much going to make your calculator disappear. Let's go back to the home screen. It's going to remove it. There we go, and as you can see, our calculator has disappeared. Next is MxTube. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with that. MxTube allows you to download the videos from YouTube and keep them on your phone, so they're actually on your phone. So if you don't have Wi-Fi or you don't have a data plan, you can still view your favorite videos because you downloaded them. I'm not going to show you because it's decent long. By the way, if anyone wants a tutorial on how to download these or how to use them, just let me know. Next is iBlackList. I don't use this too often, but if you have it, it's good to have. Pretty much, you have a blacklist and whitelist. This allows you to block people. It blocks SMS and calls. So if someone you don't like or someone that's been annoying you or whatever, you can put them on your blacklist, and pretty much all their messages that they send to you will be deleted, and their calls will be blocked. SBSettings, you guys are probably familiar with that. Slide your finger across the top and a menu pops down, which you can activate or deactivate stuff. Let's deactivate Wi-Fi. It's deactivated. As you can see, I have Edge only. Now we can reactivate that. And we have Wi-Fi again. You can simply exit out of that. Next is MakeItMine. MakeItMine is just sort of a fun application. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this because it's at the top of the screen. But pretty much you can customize your banner or your carrier. Meaning where it says AT&T or T-Mobile, you can, let's do an example. We'll type in real Swiss 23, okay? Now if we press carrier, it says up here now real Swiss 23. And since real Swiss 23 is such a long name, it's going to slowly scroll across it. It's not going to have the full name there. It's going to scroll whenever it wants, every couple seconds. Now for banner, banner is the upper middle where the clock usually is. Yeah, you can press banner, and there you go. In the middle it says real Swiss 23. To undo this, you pretty much just have a blank, press banner, and it redoes it. Blank, carrier. Oh god. Alright, well, yeah. It usually erases it. I'll figure something out after. This also works for the iPod Touch. The iPod Touch, it usually says iPod up there, and you can simply just do that. Okay, yeah, see, it went back to T-Mobile. Next is Backgrounder. I'm not using the audio from my video because I don't want to get flagged down for copyright for music. But pretty much this allows you to run music in the background, like radio, like Pandora radio, while you're doing something else. I'm going to be playing music whenever in this video, when it starts, when I play the music in the video, but exactly the reason being I don't want to get flagged down for copyright. So pretty much this app lets you do one thing while you're listening to the other. Right now, as you can see, it will be searching for the song. Now it comes up and it starts playing. While this happens, I'm going to go out, I'm going to hold down the home button, and it's going to say background enabled. That allows it. Then if I do it again, it's going to say background disabled. Now if I do it again, it says background enabled. Now I can press the home button once and it will exit out of the program, but it's still playing. The music is still playing. So now for an example, I'm going to open, I guess I'll open Facebook. Open it up and the music is still playing. So it's always going to be in the background. Yeah. Okay, music, it's going, it works, everything's good. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole point of that. Alright, this is going to be the last one that I'm going to show you guys. At the end of the video, I'm going to put up a list of more cydia apps. If you guys have any questions, or if one of the cydia apps that you want is on the list and you don't really know how to do it or whatever, just message me or whatever, okay? So the last app is FontSwap. This allows you to pretty much change all your fonts, so dialer, calculator and stuff, and it shows you which ones. Let's do system fonts. Downloading missing previews. Just gonna pick a random one because we don't have a lot of time left. Install and restart Spring. Great. I might cut the video just because all our fonts are different, the writings are different, and that's it. If there's any time at the end of the video, I'll put a list, or if there's none, then I'll put them in the description. So check the description for a list and ask me if you want any tutorials or anything like that, or an explanation on any of the Cydia apps. Okay? Thank you for watching. Adios, people.